Hey, it's Sloan from the Cosmopolitan, and I've arrived in New Orleans. I'm actually standing on the banks of Lake Pontchartrain, where I'm very graciously being hosted for a little bit while I'm here. I love New Orleans. I came here 5 and 7 years ago and just fell in love with the city. Was devastated along with the rest of the country with what happened after the two hurricanes. Have always wanted to come back and visit and contribute and volunteer and see what I could do. And I'm just in a really blessed position where I have a month, I have a period of time that I can come down to New Orleans, see for myself, really figure out what's going on. I was really lucky to meet some amazing people from the New Orleans tech community at South by Southwest. So I've gotten to connect with them. They've shared a lot of really exciting projects going on here. There's a lot of really great social action campaigns happening in New Orleans. There's an amazing energy and vibe for growing community, and it's a really exciting time. So if you know anyone that you think I should meet while I'm here in New Orleans, if you have any projects that you think I should go and check out or share with you, please feel free to send me an email, sloan@thecosmopolitan.com. I look forward to sharing more of my adventures with you. Take care.